Hi, I'm John with Saddle Point Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Fastback Model 15 document binder. It's important to clean your machine regularly because over the course of many binds, glue can accumulate inside the machine, cause problems, and the other thing it can do is cause little marks on the spine of your book. If you see any sort of wettish looking dark brown spots, that's probably glue inside the machine, and it means it's time to clean it. The first step in cleaning your machine is to let it cool down. The inside of the machine gets very hot under normal operation, over 400 degrees, and you don't want to get burned. So the power switch is right down here on the bottom left. You want to turn it off and then let it cool down at least half an hour, and when you're ready to come back to it, this machine's been cooled down for some time. The first thing to do is to go ahead and remove the cooling rack like so. Then remove the book fence. And then open the hood of the machine. In order to open the hood, there's a switch down here, the bottom right front of the machine, like so. Lift the hood, and now we've got access to the inside of the machine. This right here is the heater, this black bar. This gets up to 420 degrees. You want to be very careful when working inside of the machine because you don't want to get burned. If your machine has been on recently and still a little warm, your machine when it was new will have come with this heat mitt, and you can use that while cleaning the inside of the machine. The other thing we use to clean the machine is the manufacturer recommended cleaning solution, Icky Sticky Stuff Remover. A bottle of this will also have come with your machine when it was new, and if you need more, just give us a call. And we use just cotton pads to go ahead and wipe the innards of the machine. You can use a cloth as well. You don't want to use anything abrasive because, as you can see, many of the surfaces inside of here are coated in Teflon, and anything that can scratch that will take that coating off. So what we're going to do is just take our cotton pad here, take a little bit of the solution. It doesn't take that much, but you can use pretty much, you can use quite a bit if you need to. And we're just going to go ahead and wipe the heater down on the top, on the front side. And then this is cooling plate, and this will be a little cooler. We're going to go ahead and wipe the top of this down as well. And then we're also going to go ahead and wipe down the backup bars. These are the clamps that grab the book and move it around. So you want to get this front surface here. On both sides. And then you want to wipe down these nylon shoes as well. And this product will go ahead and dissolve the glue. If the glue is really thick on there and has been there for a while, it might take a couple of passes to go ahead and get it, or you might need to let it sit for a while. If your glue's been on there for a long time and the heater has sort of burnt it, it might turn brown or black, and you don't need to get all of it off, just as long as you've got a mildly flat surface. The glue that causes marks on the book is usually the clearer, fresher glue, and this product will take that off. In order to get access to the front side of the heater, we go ahead and lift up the cooling plating like so. You just grab this and lift. And then you can move this dial here like so, and that's going to go ahead and give you access to the front side of the heater. And then we can wipe that down too. While we're in here, now's a good time to go ahead and check inside of the machine to see if there are any strips that have fallen inside down there. Sometimes if a strip is double fed, a couple of them can stick together. The second one will fall down inside the machine, and you want to get that out. If your machine's still hot and it's causing problems, you can use the tongs that came with the machine, reach in there and get out whatever's down there so it doesn't interfere with any of the sensors or anything. And then the only other thing on the inside that we're ready to clean is down here. You can see there's a sensor assembly along with the feed roller, and you can just take a can of air, or we've got this little squeeze bottle, and just sort of blast off those sensors and clean those up a bit. Once you've gone and cleaned all the surfaces, don't forget to go ahead and roll this wheel back all the way forward. Close your cooling plating like so until it clicks, and then you're ready to go ahead and close the machine. Reinstall your book fence. Reinstall your cooling rack. Turn the machine back on and let it warm up. That's all there is to cleaning it. Thank you very much for watching.